The COVID pandemic brought about many changes, some welcome and some not. The ability to work from home is a measure that some employees would like to keep, and so today the Taoiseach sought Cabinet approval for legislation which will provide workers with a legal right to request it.
Once you're 6 months in a workplace, you'll have the right to request remote working. Your employer has to respond within 12 weeks and has to give a reasoned response.
If an employee were to be refused remote working, they could appeal that decision to the Workplace Relations Commission. There are at least 13 grounds on which an employer could refuse remote working. They include the work cannot be done remotely, there's a risk to business confidentiality or intellectual property, poor internet connectivity, and distance between the remote working location and the workplace. But today at Leinster House there was criticism of the proposed new law, with opposition parties calling for a legal right to work from home.
The government have given the whip hand to the employers. Every employer should be required to offer their employees the option of remote working. And they shouldn't have loads of reasons and conditions where the employer can essentially deny workers that right.
Nobody is saying that, a healthcare worker can work from home or, retail. There are jobs that, you can't do remotely or from home, but there most certainly are an awful lot of jobs that can be done as well at home, and in some cases better.
Government hope that this legislation will be passed before the summer recess. Tommy Mescal, RTÉ News, Leinster House.